Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was tripping the breaker and it was making a loud buzzing noise, and that was basically because the solenoid valve wasn't opening or closing correctly, and that was creating the loud buzzing noise. And it was tripping the breaker because the boiler was not. I cannot open this. The boiler will actually. The O-rings from the boiler were really worn out, and it was letting steam going all around, and it was just leaking all over the place. And there are many open electronic components inside this machine, so as soon as one drop of water hits it, it will just trip the breaker. So we pretty much replace the O-rings, reseal the boiler, make sure everything there's no leaks around here, replace the three-way solenoid valve, and that's it. So we're gonna test out the machine, starting with one shot of espresso. Here, there's no loud buzzing noise. We have excellent pressure coming out of the machine. The grind might be a little bit coarser for this machine. This machine can take a little bit more of a finer grind. But as you can see, we got good crema, and it was an excellent water flow, and we don't have any loud buzzing noise in the machine, as well as the machine is not tripping the breaker. Just to test all the features, we're going to test the hot water as well. You can see really nice flow stream water, and the steamer nice and hot and working perfectly fine. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.